MP Engineer Rashid has been released from Tihar jail. His release comes after a court granted him bail till October 2nd so that he can campaign in the upcoming JNK polls. He has been in jail since 2019 following his arrest by the National Investigation Agency under the UAPA Act in the 2017 terror funding case. Now, as he walked out of the Tihar jail yesterday, last evening in fact, Engineer Rashid vowed to fight the Naya Kashmir narrative of the Prime Minister, asserting that the model of Naya Kashmir has miserably failed in Jammu and Kashmir and has been rejected by the people as well. Listen in.
5.5 साल जेल में बाहर रहने के बाद I feel myself stronger and proud of my people, proud of my commitment. I take a pledge and a promise that I will not let down my people. I take a pledge that I will fight Modi's narrative of Naya Kashmir, which has miserably failed in Jammu and Kashmir. People have rejected his narrative, and people of J&K have rejected whatsoever he did on 5th August 2019. The vote to me was a referendum against Modi's policy, especially abrogation of Article 370 and 35A. I am committed to work for the welfare of my people, for a peaceful resolution to Kashmir issue. और मोदी जी से कहना चाहेंगे, डरो मत, डराओ मत, हम डरने वाले नहीं हैं.
But BJP has reacted very sharply to Engineer Rashid's pledge, with BJP in charge for JNK Ram Madhav taking to social media X to say that challenge has been accepted. The BJP leader denounced the language used by Rashid, addressing him as a separatist who was in jail for 5 years for indulging in anti-India activities. Madhav also further said that Naya Kashmir's march will go on unrelenting. Have a look.
Engineer Rashid should understand that Naya Kashmir is a reality, and not only the Engineer Rashid but the other political parties as well. The Naya Kashmir is the absence of gun culture. The Naya Kashmir is absence of bloodshed. The Naya Kashmir is absence of stones. The Naya Kashmir is absence of hurriyat. And I think the Engineer Rashid, who has been detained almost for 5 years for his crimes, he don't know the ground situation. Let him come to the Kashmir Valley. Once he will land, he will know the reality, because the man who was behind the bars for 5 years, he don't know the reality. The people of Jammu and Kashmir has already accepted the Naya Kashmir. Naya Kashmir is the reality which the Engineer Rashid and the other political parties need to accept.
Now, what is quite interesting